Toyota, driving innovation and excellence. Hey there, welcome back to the Basic Engineering. Today, we're diving into the world of Toyota, a company that has redefined automotive engineering and manufacturing. Let's explore how Toyota has become a symbol of reliability, technology, and efficiency. Toyota was founded in 1937 in Japan by Kiichiro Toyota, emerging from a family of textile machinery manufacturers. What started as a small branch quickly transformed into a powerhouse that revolutionized automotive production. Toyota adopts a manufacturing methodology that emphasizes efficiency, waste reduction, and continuous improvement. Toyota is renowned for pushing the boundaries of technology. One of its most groundbreaking innovations is the development of hybrid technology, epitomized by the launch of the Prius in 1997. By combining gasoline engines with electric motors, Toyota created vehicles that were both fuel-efficient and environmentally friendly. Toyota is not just a Japanese icon, it's a global giant. Headquartered in Toyota City, Japan, the company operates manufacturing plants, research centers, and dealerships on 6 continents. With an annual production of millions of vehicles and a workforce of over 360,000 employees worldwide, Toyota's influence extends far beyond automobiles. Toyota is not only a leader in automotive technology, but also in robotics and automation. The company's state-of-the-art production lines are a marvel of modern engineering, employing robotic arms, computer-controlled assembly, and real-time quality monitoring to ensure every vehicle meets strict safety and performance standards. Moreover, Toyota's ventures into robotics have given rise to humanoid robots and automated systems designed to assist in various industries, showcasing the company's vision for a future where technology and human effort work seamlessly together. Toyota's lean manufacturing model is so efficient that many other industries have adopted its principles. It's like the secret sauce behind some of the world's most efficient factories. The company has produced over 250 million vehicles worldwide. That's almost equivalent to the entire population of a mid-sized country. Toyota's impact extends beyond technology. It's deeply woven into the fabric of modern culture and the global economy. Toyota vehicles have become a staple on roads around the world, symbolizing reliability, innovation, and forward-thinking design. The company's success has not only created thousands of jobs, but has also fostered international partnerships and collaborations. Its cultural footprint is evident in everything from blockbuster movies to everyday life, making Toyota a brand that resonates with people of all ages. Takeaway: Toyota's journey from a small Japanese manufacturer to a global engineering powerhouse is a testament to innovation, quality, and perseverance. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Toyota's world of technology and sustainability, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the Basic Engineering, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.